Welcome to JH. Have you come across BitNest.me lately? It's a platform claiming to offer a circulation yield protocol, which is just a sophisticated way of saying they'll take your USDT and promise you the moon. It sounds tempting until you realize the protocol is mostly just a fancy word for a digital vacuum. Let's break down why this is a disaster waiting to happen. First, there's the total lack of ownership transparency. No names, no faces, and no executives. It's basically a financial ghost ship, and usually, those don't end up in a tropical paradise. Then there's the fact that they're operating across 8 different domains. Because nothing screams legitimate business like having more backup addresses than a shady offshore gambling site. Their traffic sources are also a bit too convenient, targeting specific countries like Italy and Germany for what looks more like a recruitment drive than actual growth. To make things even sketchier, the website code contains hidden Chinese text, suggesting the real operators are hiding behind a digital curtain. It's a bit like buying a Swiss watch and finding a made-in-a-basement sticker inside. The biggest red flag, however, is the connection to Unicy Loop. Research shows BitNest is just a recycled version of that failed 2022 Ponzi scheme. They even went back to edit their Telegram posts to hide the evidence, which is about as subtle as a bank robber returning to the scene to wipe a single fingerprint. Ultimately, BitNest.me is just another unsustainable scam where new investors pay for the old ones until the music stops. My advice: keep your money far away from this recycling bin. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more reality checks.